Hey, it's Justine, and today we are checking out their brand new Insta360 X5. This is their brand new 8K 360 action camera, and it is packed with upgrades. Better low light performance, super smooth stabilization, AI editing tools, and even swappable lenses. And of course, I've got it right here to test out, and we're gonna be putting this through a bunch of different situations. A huge thank you to Insta360 for sponsoring this video, and if you wanna learn more about the X5, check out the link below. I've talked before about how much I love the Insta360 cameras. They're just such great devices just to go out and film and then worry about reshooting it later in editing. And I'm so hyped to check out the new X5. Oh, we've got like a whole case situation happening here. Very nice presentation. We've got the user manual. I'll read that later. Selfie stick, extendable. Oh, an extra battery. This is so key. Although the battery life on these things have gotten so good, you might not even need it. This feels so light. There it is. What am I supposed to put there? That's nice. Wow, look at it. Oh, the little travel case and cables and a cleansing cloth. USB-C. We also have some accessories. We've got another bullet time selfie stick. This is the 2.0 version. Look at that. It's got like a more industrial handle. We've also got an invisible mic, a cold shoe mount. This is really nice, so you'll be able to mount a microphone to it without being able to see it. That is the whole point of this, using the selfie stick to film yourself, and the selfie stick magically disappears. We've also got a mini 2-in-1 tripod. Look at that. This is a foldable 2-in-1 selfie stick. This is pretty cool. This is something I haven't seen before. Wow, this is nice. It's got a little handle on it. Or is that a hand? No, it's a protective little cover for it. Wow, Insta360 is killing it with all of their accessories. What a great idea. Your lenses are protected and you have the tripod already built in. And last but not least, we have a vertical horizontal mount. There it is. Right now in New York, and you can't possibly film it all. Well, actually you can, because with Insta360, I have the ability to reframe my shot after the fact. It's amazing. For daytime shooting, I'm using the 8K 30 frames per second mode. Everything is super sharp, clear, it's so colorful, and the invisible selfie stick effect basically makes it look like I'm being followed by a drone. Now, all of this footage right here that you're looking at is handheld, but I don't have to worry about framing it because I can just reframe it later in the app. Now, here's where most 360 cameras struggle, but this new pure video mode is made for low light. Now, just look how clean this footage is. It's brighter, it's less noisy, and somehow it's still super sharp without blowing out any of the highlights. Now, once you have all of this incredible footage, it's time to edit. I really love using the iPhone app because it allows you to do all of the basic edits and so much more. It even has AI editing that can take longer clips and turn them automatically into a movie. This is perfect for people who don't like to edit. There's so much that you can do inside of this app, it's amazing. From manually keyframing an edit to my favorite way to reframe the videos is basically you just hit record and you film a scene like you're actually there recording it for the first time. You just move your phone around and you can easily get the shots you like and then export it. The ability to change the aspect ratio is also amazing because you can shoot once and have a vertical and horizontal video all in one. So here's the thing that I didn't really expect. You can swap out the lenses. Like you can actually remove these and replace them if you scratch one. And that is incredible. Oh my gosh, I don't want to do this at all. I got some safety glasses. Oh! Okay, well it didn't do anything. Okay, well that still didn't break. It also hasn't really scratched at all. What the heck? Why is it not breaking? I was hoping for like a big shatter. I wanted this to be super dramatic. There we go. Yes! Oh, it's happened. I was hitting this really hard. Now I have glass everywhere, which is probably not great. Now, let's see what happens. We have a removal tool, a brush, cleaning wipes, 2 lens cloths, and disposable gloves. Oh boy, okay, we've got all sorts of things here. Instructions for use, we're going to read these. There's a QR code. So I am just reading the directions and it says that this is not recommended for completely smashed lenses, just scratched ones. but I think we're gonna make it work. Okay, that looks pretty clean. All of the glass shards look like they have dissipated. Clean my phone too. Next, looks like we've got our little lens. There it is. Okay, so now I just pop it in. Then we're gonna put our little lens grip back on. We're gonna screw it back on. With this tool, yeah, I mean, everything looks pretty good to me. Let's get back out and start shooting some more. So I recently went to Japan and I took this on my trip and it was so much fun getting some incredible shots. Now my favorite part about Insta360 is the editing process, which for most people, maybe editing for you isn't the fun part, but I promise you, this is so fun. You can get so many incredible shots just by holding out the camera. You don't have to worry about framing shots or making sure something is in the frame because everything is in the frame. It's 360, that's the point. I also love that there's a ton of templates inside of the Insta360 app that gives you the ability to do all sorts of creative shots. And they give you a tutorial to show you exactly how to shoot it, how to hold the camera. The other thing that's really exciting is it's waterproof up to 49 feet. It charges up to 80% in 20 minutes, and the battery lasts about 185 minutes in endurance mode. That's 3+ hours of filming. If you're Insta360 content or even just curious about it, the X5 makes it way less intimidating. It shoots beautifully, it handles editing for you, and it can definitely take a beating. Thank you again to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more, click the link below. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye-bye.